Meet the DPS-150AB-3A, a power supply you can trust. Do you need reliable power for your equipment? This Delta Electronics power supply unit delivers 150 watts of consistent, stable power for your security system. What makes it special? Built tough and designed for 24/7 operation, this PSU comes with a 60mm cooling fan for optimal temperature control. With its 8 SATA connectors, you can power multiple drives with ease. Note that its proprietary 20-pin connector is only designed for some specific systems, such as Dahua VCR and NVR. The brand Delta Electronics is trusted by professionals worldwide and is guaranteed to give you satisfaction. Whether you're running servers, security systems, or industrial equipment, the DPS-150AB-3 keeps everything powered up and running smooth. Don't gamble with cheap power supplies. Your equipment deserves better. Get your DPS-150AB-3 today from Vanda Trading.